a lot of people at different parts of the world, as this is considered to be a non-traditional act. There's a myth in people's mind that you're born with all the sense organs intact and wish to be created the same. So here, this creates a need to bring about awareness about organ donation. Organ donation simply means donating your organ to someone else who are in need of an organ transplant. So, in human body, there are many organs and tissues that can be transplanted. For example, heart, kidney, liver, and the corneal tissue transplantation, which is commonly known as the eye donation, which benefits people with corneal blindness. And by eye donation, we do not mean the complete donation of the eye, but a layer of the eyes which is called as the corneal layer. In India, there's 1.5 lakh brain deaths happening, where there's a need of 5 lakh organ donation every year, and only 2 to 3% of this need is met, so the rate being 0.86 per million population. National Organ and Tissue Transplant Organization, which is a government-aided agency, is responsible for the donation and allocations of the organs nationwide. Now comes the question of eligibility. People who can donate their organs and who cannot. Generally, there is no restrictions of people who can donate their organs. All the people up to the age of 70 years can donate their organs, and there is no age limit when it comes to the donation of the eyes. For transplanting organs such as liver, kidney, heart, etc., people should be considered as brain dead by a government-recognized neuroclinician. And the people who are donating their eyes can donate their eyes after the death within a time span of 4 to 6 hours. Now, people who cannot donate their organs are people who have been tested positive for TB, cancer, rabies, sexually transmitted diseases like HIV, AIDS, etc. Now, if this has created an awareness within you, please go register and pledge yourself for organ donation under Ayushman Bharat program.
ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಡಾಕ್ಟ್ರೆ, ಏನಿದು? ನಂಗೆ ಕಣ್ಣೇ ತೆಗಿಯೋಕ್ಕಾಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಂಜಾಗಿ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿದೆ. ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ನನ್ನ ಕಣ್ಣಿಗೆ?
ನಿಮಗೆ ಇವಾಗ ತಾನೇ ಕಣ್ಣು ಆಪ್ರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸರಿಯಾದ ಟೈಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾರೋ ಆಕ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟಲ್ಲಿ ಸತ್ತೋದವ್ರ ಕಣ್ಣಕ್ಕೆ ಡೊನೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕಣ್ಣು ಉಳಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪುಣ್ಯ. ಇನ್ಮೇಲಾದರೂ ಕಣ್ಣಿನ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಎಚ್ಚರಿಕೆಯಿಂದ ಇರಿ.
ಹೌದಾ? ನನಗೆ ಒಬ್ಬರು ಕಣ್ಣು ಡೊನೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾರಾ? ಯಾರದು?
ಏನ್ ಕಣ್ಣನ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಂತೆ?
ಯಾಕೆ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಬೇಡವಂತ?
ತಲೆ ಸರಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅವನಿಗೆ.
ಅವನೇನು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಕಾರಣ ನೋಡು. ಇವನ್ ಯಾರ ಬದುಕಿದಂಗೆ ಕಣ್ ಕೊಡಕ್ ಹೋಯ್ತಾನೆ.
ಗಿಫ್ಟ್ ಐಸ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್. ನಾನು ಪುನೀತ್ ರಾಜ್ಕುಮಾರ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ನೀವು ಕುಟುಂಬದ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಸೇರಿ ಕನ್ನಡ